guys, welcome back to Kai Breezy. I am back with another video. If you're new here, my name is Kaya. Anyways, as you can tell by the title, I don't know what the title will be. But today is May 23rd. It's the last day of school. My last day, but I did not go. So it's like the first day of actual summer for me. But I have to do my laundry and then I have to edit the last days of school to go sign some papers for my middle college for junior year. If you guys don't know, my junior, I'm logging off as a sophomore, so next school year I will be a junior. But middle college, we had to like get accepted. I just got accepted at the like last minute, so I have to go out there and sign some papers so I can have my schedule for my junior year. Alright guys, so I'm back. We're gonna get ready and start editing. I just did my skincare stuff without recording, but it's currently 1:18 and we're gonna get ready and edit the video so I can probably post tomorrow the video on my computer. I need to on my computer before, but if that doesn't work then I'm just gonna go back to my iPad. And yeah, so the video that I'm editing is the last day of school, so the title gonna be last days of school of sophomore year with me. And yes, so we can start editing that. Screen recording my music for my YouTube video off my iPad, and I'm just editing off my phone. And y'all, I do not like my footage because my camera SD card ran out of space, so I had to like record off my phone. And you can definitely tell the difference from my camera and my phone because my phone was blurry. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you that. The shower. This is like 2 days after. I think the last footage was me editing. I'm getting ready to go to the store. I think I'll go to the store because tomorrow is the trail ride, and me and Samara was talking about going to the store to find some shirts to get for it. And this is my first trail ride. Alright y'all, so I just made it to Walmart. It is out here. So we're gonna look on the other aisle. So this is the one I decided to go with. Alright, so I'm on the scrub aisle, like with like the body care, hygiene and stuff. So I'll probably get me a sugar scrub, and I'm thinking about getting cocoa. I always get this, but it's like summer, and I was trying to look for like a very sweet one, but this is the one I was looking at. So right here. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. I'm gonna show you guys what I have got, like the collections and stuff. So I got this because Jamaya recommended. Like, I was in a car one day and she had this scent on. She was like, yeah, it smells good. And I was like, why not get it? And it called Ajawad. Is it Ajawad? Ajawad. Hold on, let's go to pronunciation. I got so many compliments off of it, and this is not sponsored. I'm just showing you guys this skirt bag. I got this skirt bag, and then I got the shoes to match it. What I do. And then next, y'all, my purse is over here. This one wore with this outfit actually. And I'm actually wearing this with my fit, and it looks so good. Y'all already have a Stanley Cup. Amira got me this for my birthday. This is my pink one. And y'all, it broke right there in class, like the second day of having it. I was like drinking it and it just fell like off the desk. And it just broke out. Like, what the heck? But I got my mom this gray one. Let me open it on here. But yeah, and the scarf. This one I got my teacher. I don't know how to like open it, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do because summer's out. Like, school is out, and I'll probably just inbox her and be like, "Are you fun?" This is not dirty like that.
Damn, you mid bad. Oh damn. Oh damn. She ain't money. Let go.
Alright, y'all, so I'm getting ready for my dentist appointment. This is how I have my hair just slit back. And then I got this outfit from Shein. It's like a skin dupe. And then I'm gonna put on my Nike shoes, y'all. They are messed up. I use these for workout now. And I have my Stanley cup.